Apple. Very good. Elephant. Very good. Nest. Very good.
Rainbow.
Very good. Next.
Next. Queen.
Next.
Sun.
Very good. Tiger.
Monkey.
Okay. This is
Fish.
So which is the correct sound? Very good. Yes. Very good. Next. What is this now? What is this?
Yo-yo.
Y for yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Very good. Okay. Next. What is this?
T for
Speak.
tiger.
Tiger. Very good. Next. What is this? It is
Nest.
Nest. Next. Chalo. Next. What is this?
Orange. Orange.
Orange. Very good. Last. What is this? Say the sound. Ka. Come on.
Apple.
Apple. Very good. Find B now. B. Very good. Yes. Say the sound. B. Ball. Very good. Next. C.
Cat.
Very good. D. Very good. Dog. Very good. Next. And very good. What is it? Say the sound.
Elephant.
Keep yeah. No. Elephant. Very good. Next. F for. What is it? Yes, excellent. Say what is it? F
for fish.
Keep it upside down. F for fish. Very good. Next.
Goat.
Goat. Very good. Yes, very good. H for hat. Very good. Next. I. Very good. Next. J. What is it? Juice. Very good. Next. K. Below the card. Yes. Kite. Very good. Next. L.
Violin.
Okay. Next. Watermelon. Very good. Come on. 3 remaining. Fast. X.
Xylophone.
Very good. Yo-yo. And last? Yes. Last is?
Zebra.